How to post sales for days while you are away on your eBay. In today's video I will teach you how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you need to open your eBay like this. After this, come here to this three line and go to your settings. Now on your settings guys, you have to come here to this time away, and right now you will click on Sashado time away, and for example you will click on post save for 30 days while you are away. You will select the date, the start date, and the end date. For example, I would choose like I will be not from 4 and click OK, and the end day I will click to 16, click OK and click apply, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.